In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email sequence on Kit. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Kit or to email marketing in general, you'll be able to follow along and have a sequence ready to go by the end. First, once you're logged into your Kit account, look toward the main navigation and find the area labeled Send. This is where all of your outbound communication lives. Click on Send, and from the drop-down or sub-menu that appears, select Sequences. This takes you to the page where all of your existing sequences are listed and where you'll create new ones. To start a new sequence, look for the button that says New Sequence and click on it. This opens up the sequence builder. Here, Kit will usually prompt you to choose a template. Templates can save time because they give you a basic structure, like a welcome series or a follow-up sequence. Pick the template that best fits what you're trying to do, or a simple starter template if you're not sure yet. After selecting your template, give your sequence a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. This might be something like New Subscriber Welcome Series or Product Launch Follow-up. Now you're inside the editor for that sequence. On the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar where you can manage the individual emails within your sequence. For every message you want to send as part of this flow, click the Add Email button in that right sidebar. Each time you click it, a new email block is added to your sequence. Go through and add as many emails as you need for your campaign. Each email in the sequence has its own timing controls. At the top of each email block, you'll see a label that says When to Send, along with a number, such as 1 day. Click on that number to set the delay between this email and the previous one. For example, you might send the first email immediately, the second after 1 day, and the third after 3 days. Adjust these delays according to how frequently you want to communicate with your audience. Finally, this part is crucial. At the top right corner of every email, there is a drop-down that initially says Draft. For your sequence to actually send, each email needs to be set to Published. Open that drop-down for every single email and change it from Draft to Published. Once all the emails are published and your timing looks good, your sequence is ready to be used in your automations or added to your forms and triggers inside Kit.